How are you doing? Johnny here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install an antivirus for your computer. Step 1. Select your web browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge. Some people use Chrome, Opera, Safari, or Firefox. Open it up. Use the search bar at the top. Type in Malwarebytes. Press enter. Scroll down to download malware removal. Make sure it's malwarebytes.com. Select this. Select free download. Wait a second and your download should pop up on the top right if you're using Microsoft Edge, or in the bottom left if you're using a different browser. When it's downloaded, select open file. A little box is going to pop up. When you see it, press yes. Select install. Should only take a minute or two depending on how fast your computer is. You can close your web browser right now if you want. You will be given a 14-day trial of Malwarebytes Premium when you download it first. The premium version is a full protection, an automatic protection. If a malicious piece of software tries to infect your computer, it will catch it instantaneously. If you open a link from your email or you access a web page that potentially tries to attack your computer, it will catch it immediately. It comes with real-time protection, ransomware protection, exploit protection, and web protection. Alternatively, if you choose to go with the free version, you will have to run the scans manually yourself. The price of the premium version is €40 for a year via Malwarebytes. But if you choose to buy through the Computer Lab, we are doing a temporary offer of €30 per computer per year. And if you purchase multiple licenses, we can do you a further discount on that. So do get in touch. Here is the user panel. It's quite a simple layout, guys, and when you have the premium version, it schedules the scans automatically and also comes with these protections that I mentioned a few minutes ago here. And if you have the free version, these guys down here will be deactivated and you'll just have to run the scans manually yourself. Thank you very much for watching, and do get in touch if you have any questions. We'd be more than happy to help.